is Friday and I'm just uploading the video. It should be up now. Yung kahapon na nag-unboxing ako and yung nag-unboxing ako and nag-haul. So yeah, it's up now. Today is Friday and I'm going to see the girls later. I'm going to see Raze and Kathy. Yeah, we're going to have a girls' night tonight, so I'm going to see them later. Right now it's only 5:31 and yeah, hindi ako umuwi kagabi after. Okay, I went out to see my friend and I had a sleepover, so hindi ako umuwi ng bahay, but I messaged Jordan. I went home, we went out for tea and then we came back here to get some stuff and we went to her place. We went to the beach and we had a little walk and back to her place kasi yung bahay niya malapit sa beach. So yun, nag-walking kami sa beach and then I decided to stay kasi we were watching movies and stuff like that. And I messaged Jordan na I won't be home tonight. And okay lang sa kanya, wala naman issues. He dropped me off mga 8:30 in the morning and then I had to get ready kasi may dala akong appointment. Isa yung doctor appointment ko and because I need to get some prescriptions and also my pap smear. I have to get my pap smear done every 2 years. So yeah, it was due. So I have to get it done. So yan. So bago na yung doctor ko, guys. Kaloka. Nais nga ako kasi last time when I rang up to book an appointment, wala na yung regular doctor ko and yeah, and this time bago and she's good. She's alright. Nakuha ko na yung invitation ni Raze. Ang cute ng invitation na, look. R and D. Yeah, they're getting married soon. Very soon. And ito yung map. So I'm gonna put you up the fridge. We're having a girls' night tonight with the girls, and then Kathy and I decided to do something fun tonight for Raze. So parang ano siya, parang bridal shower, pero it's more like bridal shower fun games. Basta I brought some toilet paper rolls and yeah, later we're just gonna do some fun. I'm gonna take some board games as well kasi we're going to have, I don't know, we're gonna play some games. So we're gonna play some board games, watch movies, horror movies, drink some juice kasi hindi bawal yung wine, bawal yung alcohol kasi yung isa buntet, and we're gonna have some nibbles. So girls' night. So I don't know what to take. Siguro I'll take Monopoly. Oh, who is it? I don't know. I'll just take this. Who is it? And I will take the Monopoly. Welcome, hold on! Stay good. Okay, I've got Monopoly to take tonight, so it's gonna be fun. Yeah, I've got some board games and I've got some headbands for tonight. We're gonna wear PJs and we'll bring some bean bags kasi sabi niya maliit yung couch nila. So we'll take some bean bags and some drinks and board games and we are set to go. Jordan's home. He's eating chips. We're going to Races soon and he's just gonna eat first and then we're going because I hadn't. Wait, why don't you eat the pancit? I'll cook pancit for you. What are you eating now?
Pie.
You're gonna eat pie? I'll cook for you, a slave for you for what? Oh, yeah, 2 days ago.
I cooked for you fried rice. What are you saying? Oh, it's not very good. I'll cook it next time.
I love your fried rice.
See?
But I can cook
you can
it
play
better.
a slave for you.
Anyways, yeah, just eat it tomorrow. You can eat it tomorrow. So yeah, I'm just waiting for him, and now it's 7 o'clock. And I think she should be home soon. I don't know, I'm just gonna text her. Alright guys, yeah, we'll see you soon at Raze. I might go to Canvas first, then we can go together. I don't know. Yes, but anyways, I'll see you later. Bye bye. Andito kami sa bahay ni Raze. Andito kami guys. Andito si Kathy. She's making coffee and Kathy's eating popcorn. Yeah, we're having girls' night tonight. And we are watching Ouija. Oh yay!
Ito, cheese! Tapos ito.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, paper kid, April.
Yay! We're having popcorn. Nasunog. Sinunog niya, Rice. Dahil nasunog yung popcorn.
Alo, pati ba na popcorn?
Hala? Sinunog mo ay?
Alo, uy!
Hala.
Alo, chika kasi yan, chika!
Ito yung popcorn namin. Talaga, grabe. Nasunog.
Tignan niyo yung popcorn.
Dapat Carol eat it.
Chika kasi yung chika ang dalawa. Ulit, isa. Tatlo na.
Wala. Pait, Day. Pait.
Tapos natin yan eh. Baka ano pa mangyari kay Veronica. Ang ano no, ang wala sa kwenta-kwenta, pati popcorn microwavable. Ano pa, nasunog pa talaga.
Parang, yeah, popcorn.
Yum!
Yamo!
Ayan, masarap.
Dito kami sa bahay ni Rice. We changed our clothes to our PJs kasi it's getting late. And Rice is having a shower. Kami ni Kante yan dito sa lounge. We are just waiting for her. Nandito kayo ng lighting dito. But brown kang mark. Go for it. Guys, we changed the movies. Kanina we were watching Ouija. Ngayon it's... What is this? Let me in. Kasi si Rice, oh, this is good. Rice is having a shower. And meron kaming surprise sa kanya. We're gonna do something fun. Something fun.
Meron tayong fashion show. Oh my gosh! Meron palang horror movie dito. Loka tong dalawang to. Sige! Suot nila yung gown na furniture ko sa hall ko. Hindi kasya sa akin. Hoy, ano na? Candidate number 1! Meron talagang horror na background. Sige na. Kasyang-kasya sa'yo, madam. O, diba? Oo. Oo nga eh. Sabi ko nga eh. Hi! Uy, kasyang-kasya din naman, Kat. Huwag ka lang tumalikod. Hindi nalak sa likod eh. Alo, ang ganda kaya, Kat.
First time ko mag-long.
Kasyang-kasya yung ano, front. Hala. Nano, yung sa'yo, Kat, nakakaputi din, no?
Dali na kulay. Oops, kitty. Oops, kitty. Oops. See? Oops, kitty. Oh, manul ka na yun. Law, ay, uy. Ano yung ganda na? Oops, kitty. Oops, kitty. Oops. Ano may, Rice, alam mo yung ganda na? Oops, kitty. Oops, kitty. Oops. Oops. Whoops, kitty. Whoops, kitty. Whoops. Whoops, kitty. Whoops, kitty. Whoops. Tinanana. See? Bakit ano? May space na?
Oo, kasi may gagawin si Annie, katawag siya dyan.
Ano ko dito?
Ay, basta makuha ka dito. Pang Gerger to.
No,
Ano si Term? Ito, ako. Pang Gerger ako. Maganda yung tatang beach. Ano ka, ano ba ito? Ay, sige, mo lang kayo sa hindi. Wait.
Parang ko pa.
Boot. Ay, kaya pala. Akala ko parang sa'yo yan. Nagkuminig siya. Ay, mas.
It's pretty talagang horror movie.
Oo nga, may horror movie background. Dapat music na lang kaya. Oo, sige, music na lang.
Oops, kitty. Oops,
May Spotify. Meron ako Spotify.
Oops, kitty. Oops, kitty.
Ano yung Bluetooth yan, Day? Or ano?
Pwede tayo.
Sige, natin po. Ano nga na yan?
Connect natin ba? Wow, si Rice.
Wala nang Bluetooth. Ay, hindi ko alam ba?
It's our turn.
Pwede na ito.
Sige, pagkaroon namin yung vlogs namin.
Mag-video tayo dyan. Anong gagawin mo? Ano? Ay! Eh, ano ba? Surprise nga eh.
Nakagawn pa itong dalawa.
Hindi ko na alam kung ganun pala. Anong music ba?
Kaya bahala. Uy, nabagla.
Hala, uy, kay...
Makapiright tayo.
Hala, oo nga.
Huwag mo lang pat.
Uy, nag-ano nga ako pala ng music para sa kasal. Hindi na kami
I cherish you.
Meron pa iba. Marami po. Hindi mo isa lang. Ano ba yan? Okay, go. Sige.
Wait, next them.
Ano ba pinag-
Ay, may ganun.
May stripper ba?
Uy, may stripper! Dun, 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 meron. Okay, go. Yan! Parang, uy, kayo, baka may bukod dyan, ha? Just hands up. Just hands up! Without the mga, ano yan? Ano ba? Basta, kakaloka. Tissue? Ano? Toilet paper? Ano yan? Basta! Boy, nauto nyo dyan, ha? Ano ba? Baka itali niyo pa ako, ha? Hindi. Nag-ano kayo ng tissue? Aksaya.
More.
Pwede pa daw ito gamitin. Lagay ito sa CR. Makasura. Sino pinasuot nyo na sa akin ko? Surprise yun eh.
Oh, it doesn't make sense.
I know. I don't know what we're doing. Ano ba yan? Hindi kami fashion designer. Yung totoo. Dapat ito may kalaman. Bilat ko eh. Nakakaupo ka ba ka? Like squat?
No,
nakakaupo ka. Hindi masakit yung chin mo?
Minsan, sumasakit.
Mabigat na.
Oo.
Paano sa ano ko mo? Ha? Wala na akong ganyan eh. Wala akong flower?
No, vein.
Meron akong flower crown. Pero wala akong vein ba? Wala.
Wala?
Wala siya rin? Wala.
Bakit?
Ayoko kasi siyang gawin like over wedding talaga. Sa Pilipinas na yung gano'n. Kasi doon yung family ko.
Ay, guys, pwede niya kasi inisipon ako.
Huwag ka lang dyan! Guys, huwag ka lang dyan! Tapos na!
Pwede ka?
Yan dito. Sa'yo kayo yung toilet paper! Mahal yung toilet paper! Tubig lang! Oo nga sa Pilipinas, tubig lang.
Lakad ka kayo sa Australia.
Oo nga, ito. Tubig ito natabo. Mahal ko yata pag pumunta ka ng public toilet, mabay ka 10 piso. Oo na!
Sige, sa'yo na. Ipapakos namin. Bullshit mo. Parang wala silang fun.
Lagi pa rin. Mga fans. Race, ganda.
May dahon.
May
Toilet paper.
Dahon.
Malig ako sa'yo, 50 pesos yan. 4 na panid. Yan, baka lang ipapatas yung gusto niyo.
Tama na, okay na. Huwag mo nga hulaan. Huwag mo hula. Ang nalak ko ng bail eh. Sabi ko, hindi yung galang yung bail.
Gagawin namin yung bail.
Paano yung bail? Mga chef ko, parang ano eh, parang magkakarate. Mga chef. Mga chef. Tsaka, oy! Na-imagine yung mukha ko sa bail-bail kung yung ano.
Ay, hindi po gani.
Parang may brain cancer. Why? Cancel ako. Cancel ako.
Professional burn surgery.
Oh my God! Ayan na. Ito. Pero malabing mata niya. Kaya yung bigay.
Sige na yung ano.
Tapos na?
Ano yung bagay niya? Feng Shui.
Ay, hindi ko makita. Ay! Parang kami. Parang buong ka dalawa. Uy! Wala! Hindi ko na siya. Bakit dumi ng bahay natin? Ang dami na. Ala! Diba? Parang akong galing sa operating room. Parang ako lagi sa galing sa operating room. Galing sa operating room. Uy, masisira ito. Malalaglag ito lahat. Yung terrain mo, nalaglag. Ganda flower diba? Galing. Nakag-gown pa talaga dalawa. Hala, tingnan mo yung tsura ko sa camera mo. Nakakatakot. Itim. Bakit yung mukha ko? Para ako, multo. malakad.
The bride is here!
Flowers!
Hindi ko na pala tayaan kasi married na kayong dalawa.
May tag! Bang, bang, bang!
Oh, diba?